Hi everyone, welcome to English 101 week 16. Guys, this is insane. We have this week, week 16, next week, week 17, and then we're finished with English 101 for the semester, which I know for a lot of you may be a happy feeling, a sad feeling, a little bit in between. I know for me, I'm both, looking forward to having this semester finished, but also a little sad about it. I think it's been so great getting to know you guys and working with you this semester. And it's been such a joy to honestly see you guys improve in your writing and all of you continue like fighting through everything we've dealt with this semester. Although, if you are interested in summer courses, I am teaching an English 102 and 2 literature classes this summer. So, more info on that later. But this week, we're going to focus on drafting your reflection essay and revising again because that's such an important part of this entire process. So, actually, I know I might be difficult to see. I'm wearing a hoodie I just got for my birthday. It says, I'm fine, it's fine, everything's fine. I wanted to encourage you guys with this, and also if you've seen Friends, this is like one of my favorite episodes. I know there is just so much going on, but this is just like my mantra for this week and next week. It's fine, everything's fine. Just keep telling yourself that, all right? And just like you and me, and like Ross was, we're gonna be all right. So the assignments for this week, you're gonna have a reading quiz, and a reading called "Did I Create the Process or Did the Process Create Me?" It's a little long, but it's actually a really good read. You're going to have a discussion board, number 14. This is our second to last one. There's only one more after this. And then you're going to have your reflective essay draft due on Sunday. So you're welcome to turn these assignments in at any point between Monday and Sunday. So in addition, I'm hoping to set up end of semester conferences with you all. So thank you so much for those of you who have contacted me already. I've got a schedule I will put up Monday. But what I'd like you to do if you have not set up a time is to shoot me an email. Give me a day and time that you'd like to meet. I'd prefer to meet on Zoom, but phone is also fine. So make sure that you check Blackboard for the schedule and contact me via email if you need to set up a time. So just some quick things about the portfolio. I know I've had a couple questions about it, so I wanted to sort of go over some things. Your portfolio is going to be 3 things. Your 2-page reflection. The reflection is going to focus on your writing and English 101 this semester. I know that there was some confusion of like, oh, well, we're talking about like high school experiences, and then like me as a student, am I talking about like my life? So I wanted to kind of start with your life in general and your educational experiences. And then this week, we're going to continue narrowing down into reflecting on English 101. All right, so I want you to think about your writing specifically this semester and the work that we've done in this class. All right, so 2-page reflection and then 2 revised essays, your worst and your best from the semester. Submitting the portfolio. Starting next week, I will have a portfolio assignment available. What you're going to do is instead of when you click browse computer and upload a file, what you're going to do is upload all 3 at the same time. And in my video next week, I will show you how to do that. So if starting Monday, you'll be able to turn in the portfolio if you'd like to just get it over with. So a couple things about the reflection essay. Make sure that you check the assignment sheet for specific information. There is an outline on Blackboard that you can use to help you write it. So I would really encourage you to look at that as a resource if you haven't started yet. And then make sure that you get the draft to me Sunday. I am flexible on the due dates, but like I said, the earlier the better, and we'll just keep on moving. So in revising your essays, what you're going to want to do to revise is not rewrite, okay? You're not taking the assignment and doing a whole new idea. What you're doing is you're just improving upon what you've done already. So you can revisit the You Writing textbook, chapter 8 on revising and chapter 10 on proofreading. This will give you some tips on what to do if you haven't done some revising in a while. What you're going to want to do is look at your ideas and mechanics. So you're not just looking for, oh, where are my comma mistakes? What you're looking for is, how can I improve these ideas now that I have all of this knowledge and this experience from the semester? All right, so your best essay, you may not revise too much. If you're like, this is the best, I think it's great, I'm going to add just like a little bit here or there and then we'll be done. Your worst essay, though, I imagine that might take a little bit of time to revise. All right, so what you're going to turn in for the portfolio is going to be a completed 2 essays revised. All right, and I'll hopefully have an example to look at up this week. So just a couple of reminders, if you have any makeup work due. So this is, if you have anything like discussion boards, reading quizzes, assignments from earlier in the semester that you have not turned in, I will accept those until May 7th. After May 7th, I will not be grading them. Okay. This is really just as a kind of buffer for me so that I can get everything graded on time. Then the portfolio, I'm going to open the portfolio due date at Monday the 11th, and you'll have until May 13th, that Wednesday, to turn it in as a completed file. So those of you who want to turn it in early, great on you. That'll be available starting next week. And those of you who maybe need a little more time, May 13th at midnight is the last time, day, that is a hard and fast deadline. So after May 13th at midnight, I will not accept any work. Okay, so that date is really important. Just a quick reminder, summer enrollment is open. If you're going to be spending some time at home, maybe looking to get a couple more classes knocked out this summer, I'd really encourage you to contact Enrollment Services. You can email them directly and they'll have someone call you, or you can also get on eStorm and register yourself. Classes begin Monday, June 1st. I'm teaching an English 102 and 2 lit classes, so if you need to get that lit requirement knocked out, I'm really excited about those. So just if you've got some classes you've been thinking about, we are going to be all online, so that is something to think about, but we've been online for a few weeks now, so I think you guys will be experts, right? So that is all I've got for this week, week 16. I am, just really encouraging all of you to take a deep breath and remember, it's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. All right. I will see you guys online. Don't forget to let me know of a time that we can meet individually. See you then.